How to save your boarding pass into your Apple Wallet from the Southwest application here on your device. Now for this I'm going to show you all the steps regarding how you can exactly do it on your iPhone or your iOS device. Now follow the steps to add a boarding pass to your Apple Wallet. Now all you need to do is simply access your airline's mobile application to email. Now open the airline's mobile app or email. Open the app or email and then click on tap add to Apple Wallet button. Here on your email you're going to see that option inbuilt on your iOS device. Review and add the boarding pass to your Apple Wallet. Make sure all the details such as flight number, departure time and seat number are correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap on add. Your boarding pass will then be sorted in your Apple Wallet. This is how you can exactly do it. Once you've completed the above steps, your boarding pass will be safely stored in your Apple Wallet. Thank you so much for watching this video.